Hey fellas, today I'm a little excited because Xiaomi has now debuted its first performance focused device for the year, the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition. They released it on February 18 in China, and the global launch yet to be announced. The new phone is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. The phone is equipped with striking features and specifications, such as the necessary cooling as well as cool shoulder triggers that should appeal to smartphone gamers. Like last year's Redmi K40 Gaming, the Redmi K50 Gaming features physical gaming triggers. Xiaomi styles these as the Magneto Motive Shoulder Key 2.0 and should appeal to the gamer demographic the phone is solidly targeted at. You will be able to buy this mobile from Xiaomi at a starting price of $520. This time this device brings the 120-watt fast charger, which is better than last year Redmi K40. It can get your phone charged in a blink of an eye. All of the fancy design, actually it's very similar from last year's, but this time they introduced this silver color which looks very attractive. On the back body and front display, tech is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, which comes with significantly improved drop and scratch resistant. The frame of the body is metal and physical magnetic pop-up gaming triggers are on the right side of the frame. Other specifications includes a side-mounted fingerprint reader, JBL stereo speakers, and IR blaster like last year's Redmi K40 Gaming. The Redmi K50 Gaming leads with a 6.67 inches FHD plus 2400 pixel resolution with 395 ppi density. It has less bezels, flat screen and 120Hz OLED with 10-bit HDR10 Plus support. That display is rated A+ by DisplayMate and protected by Gorilla Victus. Redmi K50 is available in 3 different color options: silver, black and blue. Pricing of the Redmi K50 Gaming Edition is as follows. The basic variant is around $520. Xiaomi is also collaborating with the Mercedes-AMG for a special edition of the Redmi K50 Gaming. Xiaomi is also collaborating with Mercedes-AMG for a special edition of the Redmi K50 Gaming. The phone, branded as the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula 1 Team Edition, ships with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage and costs a hefty 4199 RMB. It's a limited edition though, and Xiaomi claims it will be marketing just 10,000 units. The phone comes with distinct embroidery and a different gift box with a 120-watt charger included. This phone is housing a 4700 mAh battery which can be fully charged from 0 to 100% in around 17 minutes, and Xiaomi claims while playing the games, this phone can be fully charged in around 37 minutes. If you will buy this device from China, then you don't need to worry about does this device support Google Play service, because Google Play service are already installed in this device, so you just need to download Play Store and install it. The Redmi K50 Gaming Edition is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, octa core max 3.0 GHz. It runs on Android 11 and MIUI 13 software. The Redmi K50 Gaming cuts cost on the camera side of things. At the front is a 20 megapixel Sony IMX596. There are no mentions of optical image stabilization and video resolution is up to 4K 60 fps. It comes triple rear camera setup. It sports a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 main camera joined by an 8 megapixel plus 120 degrees ultra wide shooter and a 2 megapixel macro lens. I took some of picture and video samples, and in the samples I'm speaking Urdu because I recorded before, which you might don't understand, but you will absolutely know the voice recording result. And if you do like my video, please consider to subscribe to my channel. and hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. तो ये मैंने इसकी कुछ पिक्चर्स ली हैं, ये इसके बैक कैमरा से, ये इसका अल्ट्रा वाइड इस तरह से है, जूम करके भी आप देख सकते हैं। उसके बाद फिर मैंने मज़ीद किया है करीब, उसके बाद ये इसका रिज़ल्ट है, और फिर आप मज़ीद जूम करेंगे तो इसका ये रिज़ल्ट आपको मिलेगा। और उसके बाद मैंने ये पोर्ट्रेट को इस्तेमाल किया है, काफ़ी फिनिशिंग इसने दी है इसके अंदर, और ये भी पोर्ट्रेट से पिक्चर ली है, काफ़ी क्लैरिटी इसमें दिखाई दे रही है। उसके बाद ही मैंने वीडियो बनाई है सेल्फी से।
कैसा है, तो ये है इसका रिजल्ट। ये बैक कैमरा से मैंने वीडियोस के बनाना शुरू की है। 1080p और 4K की वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग करने की इसके अंदर कैपेबिलिटी है, और दोनों ही ये 30 fps और 60 fps पे वीडियो बनाता है। तो ये अभी मैंने इसको जूम करना शुरू किया है, इतना जूम करता है और ये इतनी क्लैरिटी दिखाता है। तो ये इसका बैक कैमरे का रिज़ल्ट है।